One small step, one giant leap, again, the journey continues. Remember that iconic moment in 1969, when the world held its breath and watched in awe? Neil Armstrong bouncing on the moon, uttering those famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Well, get ready for round two. The excitement is building once again. We're heading back to the moon, and this time, we're staying. This isn't just a visit, it's a new era of exploration. That's right, folks, dust off your spacesuits and grab your lunar rovers. The moon is calling and we must go. Humanity is about to embark on its most ambitious space adventure yet. The training is intense, the stakes are high. We're talking about a permanent presence on the moon, a lunar base, a stepping stone to the stars. Imagine living and working on the lunar surface. This is more than just a flag-planting mission. It's about science, discovery, and the future. This is about establishing a sustainable human presence beyond Earth, a place where we can learn, grow, and thrive. It's about unlocking the secrets of the moon and paving the way for future generations to explore the cosmos. The moon holds many mysteries waiting to be uncovered. So buckle up, space cadets. The countdown has begun, and the adventure of a lifetime is just around the corner. The future of space exploration is about to blast off. Get ready to witness history in the making. It's not just about cheese. Sure, the moon looks like a giant piece of cheese in the sky, but there's more to it than that. It's a fascinating celestial body that has captured human imagination for centuries. Why are we so obsessed with our celestial neighbor? Let me break it down for you. The moon has always been a source of wonder and mystery, inspiring countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. First, the moon is close, like really close. It's only a 3-day trip, compared to the 6-month journey to Mars. This proximity makes it an ideal target for exploration and experimentation. This makes it the perfect testing ground for our spacefaring technology. We can test new equipment, conduct experiments, and refine our techniques in a relatively short amount of time. Second, the moon is a treasure trove of resources. It's not just a barren rock, it's a potential gold mine for future space endeavors. We're talking water ice, rare earth elements, and helium-3, a potential fuel for future fusion reactors. These resources could be crucial for sustaining long-term human presence in space. Talk about a cosmic gold mine. The potential for resource extraction on the moon could revolutionize our approach to space exploration and even our economy. Third, the moon is a stepping stone to Mars and beyond. Establishing a presence on the moon is a critical step in our journey to explore deeper into the solar system. By establishing a lunar base, we can learn valuable lessons about living and working in space, paving the way for future missions to the Red Planet and beyond. The moon serves as a proving ground for technologies and strategies that will be essential for longer missions. So, yeah, the moon is pretty darn important. It's not just a distant object in the night sky, it's a key player in our quest to explore the universe. Alright, space enthusiasts, let's talk logistics. How do we turn the dream of lunar exploration into reality? It all starts with meticulous planning and coordination. How do we actually get to the moon and set up shop? The journey begins long before liftoff, with engineers and scientists working tirelessly to ensure every detail is perfect. Picture this: liftoff. Our mighty rocket roars to life, carrying our intrepid astronauts and all their gear. The engines ignite with a burst of energy, propelling the spacecraft skyward. It's a symphony of fire and thunder, a testament to human ingenuity. The rocket ascends, leaving a trail of fire as it breaks free from Earth's gravitational pull. Journey. 3 days of cruising through the vastness of space. Our astronauts are on a voyage like no other, traveling through the silent, dark expanse. Our astronauts gaze out the windows at the Earth, a tiny blue marble in the distance. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring sight, reminding them of the fragility of our home planet. Lunar orbit. We've arrived. Our spacecraft gracefully enters lunar orbit, circling the moon like a celestial dance. The moon's surface comes into clear view, revealing its craters and plains. Landing. Touchdown. Our lunar lander descends to the surface, gently touching down on the dusty moonscape. The moment is filled with anticipation and excitement. One small step for man, one giant leap for humanity. Again. The first step onto the lunar surface is a historic moment, echoing the achievements of past missions. Moonwalks. Our astronauts emerge from the lander, ready to explore their new home. They step onto the moon's surface, their movements slow and deliberate in the low gravity. They plant flags, collect samples, and marvel at the desolate beauty of the moon. Each step they take is a step forward for science and exploration, paving the way for future missions. Forget cramped space stations. We're talking about a full-blown lunar base. Imagine a sprawling complex of habitats, laboratories, and even greenhouses, all designed to support human life on the moon. These structures won't be flimsy tents. We're talking robust, radiation-shielded buildings, perhaps even built using 3D printing technology with lunar regolith, the moon's own building material. Inside, astronauts will enjoy comfortable living quarters, state-of-the-art research facilities, and maybe even a lunar recreation center. Who knows, we might even have lunar sports leagues one day. Section 5. Lunar Resources, Unearthing the Moon's Hidden Treasures. Remember that cosmic gold mine we talked about? The moon is brimming with valuable resources that could revolutionize space exploration. Water ice, discovered in permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles, could be used for drinking, oxygen production, and even rocket fuel. That's right, folks, the moon could become a cosmic gas station. Rare earth elements, crucial for electronics and green technologies, are also abundant on the moon. Mining these resources could reduce our reliance on Earth-based mining and its environmental impact. And then there's helium-3, a rare isotope that could fuel future fusion reactors, providing us with a clean and nearly limitless source of energy. Talk about a game changer. Section 6. Mars or Bust. The moon as our cosmic launchpad. Think of the moon as a cosmic stepping stone, a training ground for our ultimate goal, Mars. By establishing a lunar base, we can test and refine the technologies and strategies needed for long-duration space missions. We can experiment with different life support systems, radiation shielding techniques, and even food production methods, all in a relatively safe and accessible environment. The lessons learned on the moon will be invaluable as we prepare to send humans to Mars and beyond. The moon is our cosmic launch pad, propelling us towards a future of interplanetary exploration. Section 7. Space Age Tech Testing 1, 2, 3 Lunar Style. The moon is the ultimate proving ground for cutting-edge space technology. From advanced robotics and three-dimensional printing to new spacesuit designs and power generation systems, the lunar environment offers a unique opportunity to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. Imagine robots working alongside astronauts, constructing habitats and conducting scientific experiments. Picture three-dimensional printers churning out tools, spare parts, and even entire structures using lunar regolith. The moon is a blank canvas for technological innovation, a place where we can test and refine the tools and techniques that will shape the future of space exploration. Section 8. Lunar Science. Unlocking the moon's mysteries. The moon holds countless secrets, clues to the early solar system and the formation of our own planet. By studying lunar geology, we can gain a deeper understanding of Earth's history and the processes that shaped our world. Analyzing lunar rocks and craters can reveal insights into the bombardment history of the inner solar system, shedding light on the formation of planets and the conditions that led to the emergence of life. The moon is also an ideal platform for astronomical observations. With no atmosphere to distort the view, telescopes on the moon could peer deep into the cosmos, unlocking the secrets of distant galaxies and the early universe. Section 9. Space Tourism and You Pack Your Bags for the Moon. Who needs a tropical vacation when you can have a lunar adventure? As lunar infrastructure develops, space tourism will become a reality, offering ordinary citizens the chance to experience the wonders of the moon firsthand. Imagine gazing at the Earth from the lunar surface, a tiny blue oasis in the vastness of space. Picture yourself bouncing across the lunar landscape in a pressurized rover, exploring craters and marveling at the desolate beauty of our celestial neighbor. Space tourism will not only be an unforgettable experience, but it will also contribute to the growth of the lunar economy, funding further exploration and development. Section 10. Inspiring a new generation of lunar explorers. Remember the awe and excitement you felt as a child, gazing up at the moon and dreaming of space travel? Our return to the moon will inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers, igniting their imaginations and fueling their passion for STEM fields. The Artemis generation, named after NASA's Artemis program, will grow up with the moon as a tangible destination, a place where humans are living, working, and making groundbreaking discoveries. Their generation will inherit the legacy of lunar exploration, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and venturing even further into the cosmos. Section 11, A Giant Leap for Humanity. The future is bright and lunar. Our return to the moon marks a pivotal moment in human history. It's a testament to our unwavering spirit of exploration, our insatiable curiosity, and our collective desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. By establishing a sustainable presence on the moon, we're not just expanding our reach into the cosmos, we're expanding our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. The future is bright and it's lunar, so let's embrace this incredible adventure together and continue our journey to the stars.